In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Analytics Debugger. This tool is incredibly helpful for those wanting to analyze and debug their Google Analytics implementations directly in their web browser. So let's get started and make this process as smooth as possible. First up, open your web browser and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing Chrome Web Store into your Google search bar and clicking on the first link that appears. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store's homepage, locate the search bar on the top left side of your screen. Type in Google Analytics Debugger and press enter. You should now see a list of related extensions. Look for the extension titled Google Analytics Debugger. It's typically the first option that appears. This extension is created by Google, so you can be assured of its reliability and efficiency. Click on it to go to the next page. Here, you'll find more information about the extension, including user reviews and additional details about its functionality. Take a moment to review this information if you'd like. When you're ready to proceed, you'll need to add the extension to your browser. Look for the blue button that says Add to Chrome, located on the right-hand side of the page. Click this button, a confirmation dialog box will pop up asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to proceed. In a few seconds, the extension will be added to your browser. Once the installation is complete, you should see the Google Analytics Debugger icon appear in your browser's toolbar, typically located to the right of the address bar. If you don't see it right away, click on the puzzle icon to access your list of extensions and pin the Google Analytics Debugger for more convenient use. Now that you have the extension installed, it's time to use it. Go to any web page where Google Analytics is implemented. With the page open, click on the Google Analytics Debugger icon in your toolbar to activate the debugging feature. A little tip here. Ensure that your Chrome developer tools are open. You can do this by right-clicking anywhere on the web page, selecting Inspect, and then navigating to the Console tab. With the debugger active and the console open, reload your web page. You'll begin to see detailed information about your Google Analytics requests, including any errors or issues that need attention. This real-time data is incredibly powerful when diagnosing problems with your analytics setup. You can pause and review the information as much as needed to get a clearer picture of what's happening behind the scenes. Remember, effective use of the Google Analytics Debugger can greatly enhance your website's performance by ensuring you're accurately tracking vital data. I hope this video has made the installation and use of this fantastic tool easy to understand. Thanks for watching and happy debugging.